The Chengdu J-20, or Mighty Dragon, marks a turning point for China's military ambitions. It's not just a fighter jet, it's Beijing's statement that it intends to challenge U.S. air dominance in the Indo-Pacific. The J-20's primary mission: secure air superiority over the Taiwan Strait, neutralizing Taiwan's air force and paving the way for a potential invasion. It's also designed to push U.S. forces farther from China's coast, making American intervention riskier than ever. For decades, U.S. stealth fighters like the F-22 and F-35 were considered untouchable. The J-20 changes that. By fielding its own fifth-generation stealth fighter, China signals it's now a peer competitor, not a second-tier power. This shift forces U.S. allies, Japan, South Korea, Australia, to rethink their defense strategies. The J-20's presence alone complicates military planning and raises the stakes in any regional conflict. The days of uncontested American air power in the Pacific are over. The J-20 is a credible, sophisticated threat, not a paper tiger. Its existence demands new caution and respect from adversaries. As the technological gap narrows, the J-20 stands at the forefront of China's push for regional dominance. The Mighty Dragon is more than hardware. It's a psychological and strategic game-changer. China is catching up, and the balance of power in the Pacific is shifting. The future of air combat in Asia will be defined by how the world responds to this new threat. The J-20 is a large, twin-engine stealth fighter with a striking canard delta wing design. Its forward canards give it agility, while its shape reduces radar visibility, especially from the front. Unlike the F-22, which prioritizes all-aspect stealth, the J-20 balances stealth with maneuverability. Its diverterless intakes and internal weapon base keep its radar profile low until the moment of attack. While not as stealthy as the F-22 from all angles, it's a deadly threat to older fighters and air defenses. The J-20 is built for speed and range, with a combat radius over 1,200 miles, enough to reach U.S. bases in Japan and Guam. Some variants have 2 seats, allowing a second crew member to manage sensors and electronic warfare, freeing the pilot to focus on tactics. This mission commander setup hints at the J-20's role as a battlefield manager, possibly directing drones or other assets. China has produced over 200 J-20s, and the number is growing fast. The J-20 is no longer rare, it's becoming a regular presence in Asian skies. Its design reflects China's focus on both technology and operational flexibility. The J-20 is a formidable platform, built for the realities of modern warfare. The J-20's punch comes from its advanced, internally carried weapons. Its main air-to-air missile, the PL-15, can strike targets over 120 miles away, potentially outranging U.S. missiles. This forces American pilots on the defensive from the outset. For close combat, the PL-10 missile is agile and can be cued by the pilot's helmet. Deadly in a dogfight, the J-20's sensors are just as advanced. A powerful AESA radar tracks multiple targets and is hard to jam. An electro-optical targeting system lets the J-20 find and track enemies without using radar, preserving stealth. A distributed aperture system gives the pilot 360-degree infrared coverage, warning of incoming missiles and tracking threats. These systems combine to give the J-20 pilot unmatched situational awareness. The J-20 isn't just a fighter, it's a flying sensor hub, sharing data across the battlefield. Its weapons and sensors make it a threat at any range, in any scenario. The J-20 is built to dominate the information war as much as the air war. China's J-20 strategy is all about exploiting stealth and range. Its top mission: hunt down support assets like tankers and AWACS, crippling U.S. air operations by cutting off fuel and battlefield awareness. The J-20 can also act as a stealth ambusher, lying in wait for U.S. stealth jets and launching surprise attacks with long-range missiles. Even a failed ambush forces U.S. pilots to react defensively, disrupting their missions. The J-20 is a tool of psychological warfare. Its patrols near Taiwan and disputed seas send a clear message of Chinese resolve. Every J-20 flight grabs headlines and forces regional militaries to respond. There's speculation about a future carrier-based J-20, which would extend China's reach deep into the Pacific. A naval J-20 would threaten U.S. carrier groups and expand China's anti-access bubble. While not yet confirmed, the logic for a carrier-capable J-20 is strong. The J-20 is designed to shape the battlefield before a shot is fired. Its presence alone changes the calculus for every potential adversary. The J-20 is impressive, but it's not invincible. Its stealth is optimized for the front. Side and rear angles are more vulnerable, especially around the engine nozzles. Networked sensors and fighters could exploit these weaknesses. Maintenance is another challenge. Stealth coatings are fragile and require constant specialized care. The US has decades of experience with stealth maintenance. China is still learning. High maintenance needs could limit the J-20's availability in a real conflict. The J-20 has never been exported, so China bears all costs and lacks allied feedback to refine tactics. Unlike the F-35, which benefits from a global user base, the J-20 is a solo act. Most importantly, the J-20 has never seen combat. Its capabilities remain untested in real war. US stealth jets have been battle-proven. China's pilots train in peacetime conditions. Until the J-20 faces a peer adversary, its true effectiveness is uncertain. These limitations are real, and adversaries are watching closely. The J-20's reputation is formidable, but its record is still theoretical. The J-20's biggest weakness? Its engines. Early J-20s used Russian engines, adequate, but not fifth generation. China's interim WS-10C engine is better, but still not ideal for supercruise or maximum agility. The real goal is the Xi'an WS-15, designed to rival the F-22's engine with more thrust and stealth. But the WS-15 has faced years of delays and technical problems, especially with high-temperature turbine blades. These engine issues have forced China to field hundreds of J-20s with less than optimal power plants. Even with the WS-10C, the J-20 isn't the game-changer it could be. As of late 2025, the WS-15 is finally nearing production, but integrating it will take time. The engine saga highlights the challenges China faces in mastering top-tier aerospace tech. Until the WS-15 is fully operational, the J-20's full potential remains out of reach. Mass-producing a stealth fighter is tough, and China is learning fast with the J-20. Quality control is critical. Tiny flaws can ruin stealth, and ramping up production risks defects. The US faced similar issues with the F-35. China's growing pains are no surprise. The J-20's arrival has triggered a new US response, the next-generation air dominance program, and new counter-stealth technologies. Taiwan is adapting too, investing in mobile air defenses and advanced missiles to deny China air superiority. Taiwan's goal isn't to win the air war, but to make it too costly for Beijing to try. The biggest challenge for China may be pilot training. Flying a fifth-gen fighter means managing complex sensors and making split-second tactical decisions. China's training doctrine is less flexible than the West's, and building a cadre of experienced stealth pilots takes years. The human factor, pilot skill and adaptability, could be the J-20's biggest limitation. Technology matters, but people win wars. For now, that's an edge the US and its allies still hold. The J-20, or Mighty Dragon, is a symbol of China's military pride and ambition. Its first flight in 2011 was timed to send a message to the world. China had joined the Stealth Fighter Club. While some claim it's a copy of the F-22 or F-35, the J-20 is a unique blend of design concepts, not a simple clone. Its canard delta layout is distinct, combining stealth and agility in a way that's more Russian or European than American. Developing the J-20 required major indigenous engineering, especially for its flight controls, radar, and weapons bays. China may have borrowed ideas, but it had to build and integrate them itself. The J-20's rapid development, from prototype to mass production in just 9 years, shows China's industrial might. Compared to the decades-long F-22 and F-35 programs, this is remarkable speed. The J-20 is a product of China's design philosophy and political will to modernize its military. It's a testament to how far China's aerospace industry has come. The J-20 Mighty Dragon is a game-changer, shattering America's monopoly on stealth fighters and elevating China's military status. Its stealth, range, and weapons make it a real threat to US and allied forces in the Pacific. The J-20 is designed to intimidate Taiwan and create a formidable anti-access bubble around China. But it's not an unbeatable superweapon. Engine troubles, incomplete stealth, high maintenance, and inexperienced pilots are real constraints. The J-20's true combat power is still unproven. The US retains key advantages: more stealth jets, better trained pilots, and a global network of allies. The F-22 and F-35 fleets, combined with allied forces, create a powerful networked response. The J-20 is largely a solo act. Air dominance in the Pacific is now contested, not guaranteed. The J-20 forces the US and its allies to adapt and innovate. It's a potent symbol of a new era in military competition, but it's just one piece of a much bigger game. The Dragon has shown its teeth, but the outcome is still undecided.